Wow.
Dangerous to go.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
I put my pants back in. Why I forgot to.
It's 2.5 miles. Gonna get to the waterfall.
Bro, I need to change my
Yeah,
pants.
they say that.
My pants is backward. I need to change it. I'm the dumbest person ever. Daddy.
You okay? Before like cold, right? And and now start to get hot.
You're walking a lot.
Does that make us hot?
Walking? Yeah.
I think like that because up and down, walk up and walk down all the time.
I used
This
to.
is nothing. In Korea, the hill.
Run like 6 laps. Wow. Yeah.
But now they canceled it and we only have to run 3 laps.
That's a long run.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
A long time ago they did that when I was not in Washington yet. No,
Oh, you mean like Diamond? In Diamond School?
No, I was
Where is it then?
in this place, Washington.
Hmm.
Evergreen. Remember Evergreen School?
Oh,
Yeah.
a new place, a new school.
Yeah, that's my school.
All right.
The school I always celebrated break. You know that?
Uh-huh. Hello.
A lot of people would.
Yep.
Welcome to Little Marshall River. You know that thing? Like I used to watch a video and like that guy went inside the river and like this other guy said, "Welcome to River Marshall River."
Wow.
He said it like he sounded like Santa Claus. He sounded funny.
Sure.
We're 143 miles.
First time he's supposed to laugh, and now he thought, he's feeling
Do you think Waterfalls better than you don't think Waterfalls better than I rather not swim there. If I swim there, that could be dangerous.
It's gonna be cold. Yep.
The water would be kind of like 4 degrees probably, right? Maybe in summer we can go to like the water park, right? Or we can just go, or you have a pool and you just swim there without paying, right? God is a ghost, but he's actually not upset. He's a really kind of powerful person. Welcome to Little Marshall Lake. I'm River. Who wants to walk there for 1,000 miles? I get it.
No, it's about 2.5 miles.
I know.
Yep.
I'm joking. Waterfalls kind of 2.5 miles away, right? Here it could be better, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Um,
Put some hiking boots and heels, right?
Welcome to Little Marshall Falls Trail. It's the newest place we have been in.
was a mountain slippery? This is why it was so bad.
Keep going, you got it.
That was easy. That was easy. Do I go now?
Yep.
Hold on, just wait. Let me know if you guys want water.
You guys want some water?
I don't know where to go, bro.
Hold on.
We're gonna go up that way, probably. I don't know.
I think the leaves are right here and you guys are down there.
You're gonna wear yourself out so fast.
Do I go up here?
Just go up a little slower, okay?
Be careful.
If you fall under, that'd be real bad. I have to go down there and pick you up.
That's gonna be real bad actually. I need to be
It's very awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Why do you have to go hiking here?
Really?
Why are you hiking here?
You don't like it?
Kinda.
I like it.
There's so much hills.
Dad, do you like it? Hey, that's my water bottle.
Hey. Alrighty. Go up and up and up the mountain.
You okay?
Yep.
Good.
Come on, Matthew, you got it. You got those good boots on.
Oh, here's a rocky part.
Your feet fine, Sean?
Yep.
Good. Be careful. Be careful, right? Know how to? Good job, sweetheart. No. Kids can do that.